Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in this diagram, the triangle represents main, the square represents accountants, and the circle represents sportspersons. Find the number of men who are sportsperson but not accountants. Here we have given that triangle represents number of men. Then square represents accountants. And circle represents sportspersons. Then from given diagram, we can observe here the men who are accountants and sportspersons are, means there are 6 number of persons, men who are accountants and sportspersons. Then who are, means men who are sportspersons are 9, and who are sportspersons and accountants are 2. We have to find number of men who are sportspersons but not accountants, men who are sportspersons but not accountant. So there are 9 numbers who are sportspersons but not accountant.